Okay, so week 1 of her training, I've only had her for 2 weeks. I started training her on week 1. Now I can get her to step up. Come here, baby. Up, up. Come on. There you go. She's just trying to turn around for me. Up, up. Up, up. Up, up. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. She just wanted a good place to get on my hand, but she is amazing. And see that hole in her cheek? We got her from a breeder that didn't really care. They had a male cockatiel that was bossing her in there. She is a great bird. She is so pretty. She's so pretty. And she's so smart.